What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be going over my brand new nighttime skin routine from Skinceuticals. Alright, so the reason why I changed my skincare routine is one, was not seeing results with the Sephora brand skincare. Not Sephora brand, Sephora sold skincare. Not my favorite, still just as expensive as Skinceuticals product. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to listen to the science. I know this is all patented products, so, or a lot of them are, but science behind this stuff. So, the brand new product that has changed the skincare game for me has been the Retinol. Now, I have used a lot of products my entire life, long time, and I'm using the Retinol, I'm using the 1.0 strength, the concentration, and this is the strongest one, and I'm using that only because my skin can tolerate it. If you are looking to start a retinol, they have a 0.3 version and a 0.5 version, so you can start with that. That will be a little bit better for your skin, so you don't have the flaking and the peeliness that is the bad side of retinol. However, if you know how to use it and you use it right, results are ridiculous. So this has been brand new in my skincare. So basically, I used to do like an 18-step, not 18, but like it felt like 18-step skincare routine, and it just was not the same. I just was like, damn, I'm putting in a lot of money and a lot of effort to look the same. So what I changed up, obviously my skin again can take it. So I've been using this glycolic renewing cleanser, absolutely amazing, and it really takes your makeup off too, which is awesome. So it is an 8% glycolic wash, fantastic to get all of that crap off your face from wearing the mask, which we'll wear it, but damn, this skin, you gotta wash your face at the end of the day, in the middle of the day, get the crap off your face, especially if you're wearing makeup. So I wash my face with that at nighttime, then I go in with my retinol. Now I already washed my face, so I'm gonna do this on camera with you. So the biggest and most important part with the retinol, you gotta moisturize afterwards. If you're starting a retinol too, you can do what they call a retinol sandwich, and you can put your moisturizer, retinol, moisturizer back on. That way the retinol's not directly on your skin, kind of has to work through the moisturizer. It's better for you if you were a beginner. So I'm not a beginner, but I'm still gonna put a little bit on before. And again, I'm using the Skinceuticals products because I went out with my friend Tiffany and we went to Sephora, and the moisturizers there are still $65+. So you might as well get a nice brand medical grade skincare out of it and not some, you know, perfumey crap. So take my emollients. I'm gonna use half that because I'm gonna put this on first. So this is $63, by the way, for this moisturizer. So it's completely comparable to what you would find at Sephora or Ulta, but it's medical grade. So you can only get the stuff at like a Blue Mercury or a dermatologist office. Okay, so I just put a thin layer of that on first. And again, here's my skin right now. So I am using the Ferulic during the day, the sunscreen, and the retinol. So right now too, I'm having a lot of zits come to the surface because I just started the retinol last week or 2 weeks ago, something like that. But you see my skin, the shine? That is a mixture of the glycolic wash and the retinol. Amazing. So we're gonna let that go on for till it's kind of dried, which it already is. Now we're gonna take the retinol. So this is very important. Let me take my red hair off there. So we're going to take a pea-sized amount. So this is gonna go fast. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. Done. There's always extra because I kind of messed it up. Don't press this down if you were to get this, because then it goes out of the tube. So don't do that. All right, our little pea-sized amount. Bing, 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 bing. Now, we are going to touch this in areas around our face. Okay, now you blend. So the reason why is we don't want to concentrate the retinol on one area, and that tends to happen if you don't dot it around first. So if you have acne-prone skin, this stuff is awesome. They will give this to you at the dermatologist if you go and you have acne problems, because it's such an anti-aging and anti-acne, you know, 2-in-1, 2 birds with 1 stone, baby. And one thing I've noticed too, since I've been using this for 1 week, people, 1 week, I don't have those huge cystic acne bumps right down here that are painful. If you have cystic acne, you know what I'm talking about. It's terrible. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on. Now, you're gonna dance it out for 15 minutes. Brush your teeth, floss your teeth, let it soak in, and then we'll come back. All right, ready? Here we go. Okay, 15 minutes gone by. Oh, and also, I'm in a swimsuit because I just filmed my tanning video. So if you notice it, that's what's going on. But I mean, look at your face though. Look at the shine. Let's zoom in here. So look, I still have acne and redness. That's totally normal. Acne scars, I should say. But these are active. These hurt like a motherfucker. But it's that time of the month, so what do you expect? But all of this, you see those dots? There's nothing there. That's all acne scars. So that is what I'm working on with my retinol and with my CE ferulic and all that type of good stuff. Also, if you are wearing or using a retinol, you need to make sure you are protected. This is my Skinceuticals Physical Skin Tint. It's amazing. It's a physical sunscreen without the white cast. And it's super light, amazing for underneath your makeup. Love that stuff. And it's $34. So a lot of things you go to the store and it's like, you know, $40 for a moisturizer, $40 for a sunscreen, when you could get medical grade instead of going to, you know, an everyday retailer. So if you have the money or you can save up, it's 100% worth it. Skinceuticals products I love the most. I mean, I love all of them, but if you had to get even just one, I would get the retinol. 100%. It's amazing. So let's get back to the tutorial. So we put the retinol on. Now we'll go back in with, we're gonna actually use this HA intensifier. So when I bought my retinol at Blue Mercury, they gave you little skin samples. Yes, baby. This is the HA intensifier, which is awesome. Hyaluronic acid intensifier really brings all the moisture into your skin, keeps it there. And then we have the B5 hydrating gel, which I loved. And if you spent $100 last week there, you got a $20 gift card. And Skinceuticals stuff never goes on sale. So I took advantage of that, which is awesome. So I'm gonna put on the HA intensifier. I'm just gonna be up close in this video too, so hey, it's a lot of skin. All right, so we have that on. Now I'm gonna go in, I think with the B5, I think whatever is left over of it, because I really liked this stuff. And yeah, not much, I think I'm done. But look how cute these bottles are, ridiculous. All right. So we've got that on. Bing, we're next with this. So, little quick comparison before we move on. Y'all have definitely heard about this stuff, okay? I've raved about this, I liked it, but I don't know what strength of retinol it is. So, and it says to use AM and PM. You should not use retinol in the morning. So when I was using this product, I liked it. I did finish it. But after having real medical grade retinol, I would not buy that again. And the funny thing is, these are the same price. This lasted me 3 months. This will last me a lot longer because you only use a pea size of it. And just the amount of it is different too. Like this is 1 fluid ounce. Watch this be 1 fluid ounce too. No, this is half an ounce and they're the same price. So think of that too when you're buying products and think about where they're coming from. There's no point to buy all of these like 12-step systems when the ingredients suck. So again, boom, emollients, love this stuff. I want to try a thicker cream only because my face is pretty dry still. But again, I'll get that next time with my little gift card thing. But we're just gonna go in with that emollients. But I'm just loving the way my texture is looking. I mean, everything is bouncing off. Your makeup's only gonna look as good as your skincare. You can have the best makeup, the most expensive foundation, but guess what? It's not gonna look good if your skin doesn't look good. So again, even with the acne, I'm doing very good right now. Loving the skincare. It's easy, it's simple, it's not 12 steps, it's 3 steps. At nighttime, which you might want to use a simple wash because this is a little aggressive, but I mean, all you need is this at nighttime, 3 products, and your skin will be amazing. So if you know me and you know me personally, you know that I've loved skincare products since I was a little kid. That is literally my favorite stuff. Any type of product, hair product, anything. But these have changed my skincare game. So yeah, that is going to conclude my nighttime routine and using the Skinceuticals Retinol. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I will answer them the best of my ability. Otherwise, you should definitely check out the treatment podcast, how to use a retinol. I'm just going to put a little thing here. Love them. I've learned all about Skinceuticals from them. Amazing. Love them. So yes, that will be the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video that thumbs up. I didn't even know what to say. Or see you guys later.